Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to add a new billing address on Kohl's. If you don't have a Kohl's account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website kohls.com. On this page, you will see an option for account. Click on Account. On the drop-down list, you will see a button that says Sign In. Click Sign In. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a profile icon at the upper right part of the screen. Click on the profile icon. Then a drop-down list will appear. Click on Settings. On the left side menu of this page, you will see an option for Billing and Payment Info. Click on Billing and Payment Info. Under Billing Address, you will see a plus icon. Click on the plus icon. Now, enter all the necessary information about the new billing address you wish to use. After entering all the required information, click on Save. And now you will see that your new address has been added. That's how you add a new billing address on Kohl's. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.